Buying an Amazon gift card with a Google Play balance is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your Amazon account. Next, search for Amazon gift card. Click on Amazon.com gift card. In the standard section, verify the Amazon logo. Scroll down to input the amount and the delivery method. For email or text message, in the two box, provide the recipient's email address. Enter the required details in the other provided boxes. Now specify the delivery date. Ensure you input all details including the amount. And then click on Add to Cart. Review the cart subtotal. Proceed to checkout. By clicking on Proceed to Checkout, choose Google Play Balance as your payment method. Click on Add or Credit or Debit Card. Enter your card number, name on card, and other necessary details. And that's it for today. I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.